I'm trying to work. You're such a nerd. Maybe if you paid attention, you'd pass the tests. Eating candy is way more fun.
Huh? What's going on? Candy in my class?
What's that? A worm. Ah! What now?
Gotcha! Aw, come on.
Do, re, mi, la, 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 la. Ooh! Okay, I'm ready.
Oh, right. Of course.
I don't need a lot of makeup. I'm a natural beauty.
I can see that. How about some lipstick?
Wait. I've got a call. Really?
Hello?
You're kidding. He did what? I'm on my way.
It's showtime. We need to go.
Oh, right. Sure. Wait, I can't go out looking like this. What am I gonna do? Hey! Makeup lady! Come back! This is a disaster. Here goes. How hard can it be? So far so good. Who am I kidding? I look like a clown. Okay, let's try this a different way. I hope this works. Those yoga classes are really paying off.
Yeah, I know. I'm getting her now.
It's not what it looks like.
What the? We might be a little longer.
I'm trying to do my makeup.
Whoa! Not so fast. There must be something we can do. Great. There's loose thread on my jacket. Hang on. Maybe we can use this. It's worth a try.
What are you doing?
I'll rub the thread across the lipstick. I want to coat the thread in it. Now I'll create an outline around your lips. Let's do the bottom lip. Then we'll fill in your lips. There. All done.
Wow, it looks amazing! I look like my poster. Perfect.
What do you mean the show started? Mindy's with me! Come on! Move, move, move!
Oh, let's do this! What a day! Ooh, that looks like a good place to sit. Wow, this is beautiful! I love being amongst nature. Aw, cute little squirrel! Hey, little guy! Oh, I could paint you! Don't move! Oops, that was close. Sorry, I'll just be a minute. Maybe I can lean on the bench. Hold on. Nope, this isn't working. I can't get comfortable. Why is this so hard? Ugh! This is so frustrating! Oh! This pizza's so yummy. Can I help you? Hi. Can I have that box? I'll pay you.
Sure. But not the pizza. Cool. I can buy more pizza. This is my lucky day.
This is just what I need. I'll use this to prop the lid up. Then I'll put my paper against it. It's like an artist's easel. Now I can paint you. Aww. Oh, I can paint the pizza lady. This is looking so good. But portraits are so challenging. Pizza really is the perfect food. Hey, you were a great model. What did you say? Are you painting me? Maybe I can have a look. I'll stay nice and quiet. No way! I don't believe it! It's a masterpiece! Wow! You gave me a fright! It's you! I hope you like it. I love it! Do you think I could buy it? Of course! Thanks. You're a real artist. That's so kind. Oh my gosh! Whoa! Look at those! Huh? Oh, hi, Mindy. Your shoes are so cute! You need to tell me where you got them. Let me help you. Whoa! I almost forgot. What do you think of my shoes? Whoa! They're so pretty! I'm so jealous! You're so kind. They really compliment my top. Hey girls! This shade is so gorgeous. What's wrong? Are those your shoes? So tragic. They're so embarrassing. As if I'd wear them. I know, right? I like them. They go well with all my clothes. Whatever. What was that? I think I stepped on something. Oh, it was a pencil. I can't use this. Or can I? I'll show them. I need some pencils. They can help me upgrade my shoes. I'll apply glue to the pencils. I'll run it down one side. Then I'll stick it to the heel of my shoe. I'll do the same with the rest of the pencils. I want to cover the whole of the heel. I'll use bigger pencils as I go around the heel. That's the last one! Wow, it's so colorful! Let's add some color to the shoe. I can't forget about the other shoe. Who needs to go shoe shopping? I can't wait to wear them! Here goes! I'm going shopping later. You should come. Oh my gosh! Look at those shoes! What do you think, girls? Looking good, huh? Close your mouths. You'll catch flies. Wow! Okay, class, pay attention. We're doing a test today. No talking or cheating. I'll be watching. You can begin. It'll be okay. I'll just get a pen. Oh no! I can't open my pencil case! Come on, open! This isn't good! Maybe Jennifer can help. Psst. What? Do you have a spare pen? Please? No! I'm using it! Whoa! Okay. Mindy! What did I say? Sorry, miss. What am I gonna do? I was young and full of dreams, and then I got an F. Now look at me. Another busy day spending money. Oh, look at this poor person. Can you spare some change, please? Okay. Let me see. I hope this helps. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You're a kind soul. Nope. I can't let that happen! There's no way I'm getting an F! Hang on. Maybe I can use this paperclip. I'll lay the paperclip on the table. Now I need my glue gun. I'll fill the paperclip with glue. I'm using glitter glue because it looks cute. I'll just fill this section. Now I'll let it set. I'll loop the end of the paperclip through my zipper. Yeah! It opens! Phew! What a relief!
Time to get to work. What? This is outrageous! She has a unicorn case.
Well, we'll see who's better.
That's right. I've got a full color palette. I bet she's totally jealous now.
My colors are just as good. I can touch up my eyes whenever I need to.
I've also got Wolverine claw crayons.
You think that's good? Look at my new lipstick.
You think that's enough? I've got paint tubes.
Ugh! I can't stand him!
And of course, my brushes.
Not cool, because I've got this. That's right, a full rollout of makeup brushes.
Ugh. Fine. She wins with her brushes, I guess. Wait a second. I'm not done yet, because I've got a genius idea. I'll start with a sheet of felt, and I'll need a ruler and chalk. I'll make a dotted line, each an inch long. There. It's doubled up too. And I made a second row as well. And that's where I've made my cuts too. Now it's ready for my pencils and brushes. They can just slide right through the cuts I made. Now I can just roll them all up. Alright, now that it's all rolled up, I can add some hot glue right here. Next up, I've got this little bow along with an elastic loop. And I'm done! It's perfect! Ahem. Maybe you should take a look at this.
What the heck? How dare he! What's going on over here? Oh, a contest. Time to declare a winner. This one.
Oh my gosh. Yes! It's all I've ever wanted! I can't believe this!
Come in.
Hi, you wanted to see me?
Please, take a seat. We have a problem. Take a look at Sophia's classwork. It's a disgrace.
Oh my! Hey, I get bored easily.
It needs to stop. Wait, I have a call. Hello?
Sophia! I'm so disappointed!
I'll be right back.
Finally, he's gone. Wanna play?
What?
Grab a pencil and let's play.
For real? Got one!
Well, this isn't gonna work. Let me think. There might be something we can use in here. I'll lay a strip of tape over the notebook. I'll put another strip beside it. Then 2 horizontal strips. Now I need some paper clips. And these binder clips. Okay, I'll start. Go. It's your turn.
Oh, this is fun!
I'll put my clip here. Nice try. Good block.
This is getting tense.
Not this time.
There! Yes! I won!
Act cool. He suspects nothing.
What's going on?
It was her.
Oh, I need a vacation.
Just gotta be sneaky. Tiptoe.
Phew. Is there anyone around? Doesn't look like it. Oh, Ava's so pretty. And nice. Time to put this away because I've gotta be brave. She's gonna love this muffin I brought especially for her. Oh no! Here she comes! She's right over there! I gotta get out of here and quick! I'll hide in this corner. Okay, she's right by her locker. She's checking her phone. No, 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 no! This can't be happening! It's Jake!
Hi, Ava. I brought these for you.
For me? Wow, they look so delicious. I'll try this strawberry right here. So good. You want one?
No! It's not fair! How did he beat me out?
Okay, this time it's my time. I bet she'll really like these tulips. Hi, Ava! Huh? What's that? Oh, hi! Is there something I can help you with?
Oh, no. Sorry. Never mind.
Well, okay then. These roses smell so good.
Ava needs something to write on. Now's my chance! Here you go, Ava. Have my notebook. Go ahead and take mine. You know you love purple. Oh, she's totally gonna pick Jake again. Look, I have 3 of them for you too.
Whoa! Your notebook has something fun on it!
What? Come on! I took a bunch of sequins and beads and fun bits. I went for every color I could find. And then I just took the lid from this chip can. I added a line of hot glue on the edge of the cover. Then just pressed it down on the notebook. There we go, it's done! A fun, sparkly notebook!
I can't believe you made this yourself!
I also got you these tulips.
Sometimes in life, we're faced with the type of problems that may seem small, but are really annoying. But don't get mad. Just use these awesome hacks. What was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos just like this one.